Hello and welcome to Agiled. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add files for contacts and accounts in the CRM. So let's just start by going to contacts and select any account you want. And since we are working with John Doe, so I'll select John Doe and I'll go to the files tab and click on add file. So if I've already uploaded files, all the files will be shown here. So I'll click on add files and click on uh, draw files here, or click here to upload. So I'll click this and go to downloads, and let's say I'll select this image. So after this has been uploaded, it will show up here in the list. So this is how you add a file or files in contact. So I'm going to add files in the contacts now. So uh, I'll go to accounts, choose an account, and similarly go to the files tab, click on add files and select files, and files will be uploaded here. So this is how you add files for accounts and contacts in the CRM. So if you have any questions about this, you can always reach out to us at support. This files feature helps you keep your files organized for clients and contacts in one place. So you can add all the files related to a client or contact or account in one place, and it really comes in handy when you're looking for files related to a client. This is thank you for watching the video, and for all the updates related to Agile, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.